I think the balance between both of them, basically the freedom.
I think independent and being single is the best thing.
Bro, do you like a single life or a committed life?
Single for sure, bro.
Why single?
Because you got the freedom to do anything you want, and you don't really have to answer to anybody.
Are
And
you single right now?
yeah, definitely. It's been like 3 years now, so yeah. Finish.
Even me, man. It's been 3 years, and single life is actually pretty good on a comparative note because you have the freedom to do whatever you want. You need not depend on someone to
Talk
take
about
decisions.
girls freely.
Yeah, that's for sure.
That's why.
Yeah, we can see like many girls.
Exactly.
You can actually
You,
hit
you
on
can't
girls,
you,
bro.
you
can actually turn a lot of girls,
you can't even check out another woman if someone's with you, right? Yeah. Anyhow, we'll see. We're not gonna stop just because. Thanks anyway.
So do you prefer single life or a committed life?
For now, single life.
Why not committed life?
Because I haven't found my soul.
Found your soulmate?
Yeah.
I can be your soulmate, I think.
Oh,
So do you prefer a single life or a committed life?
committed life.
Why committed life?
I don't know. I don't have an answer for this.
So right now are you committed?
Yeah, I'm dating someone.
So do you prefer a single life or a committed life?
I think the balance between both of them, basically the freedom, it should be there. Yeah, even if you're committed or even if you're single, right? We actually look for the freedom or the space, right? So basically, everyone has to, build that or curate that platform between relationship or between themselves. We also restrict ourselves, even if I'm single. Okay. So I think the balance between both of the things, that is most. I think I feel that is important.
So single is the best for you, according to you.
So if I get a partner, okay, so if we both have the same, understanding, we both understand that, like how freedom and how each individual needs that space. Okay. So if that understanding is there, so I don't mind, being in a relationship. Yeah, because down the line after 1 year, I don't want to blame my partner because of you. I have not done this, that, and all, right? So I don't want that, and everybody needs that space. Everybody needs that freedom. Yeah. So yeah, so I'm okay with both of things, which will allow me to, explore and to live free. Yeah.
So that's a quite good answer. So do you prefer a single life or a committed life?
Single
Why single?
because I don't want to get committed.
So you didn't get any proposals?
I got
How much?
2.
Only two.
Yeah.
I was thinking I would be getting around 20, I think.
No, only 2.
Single life or a committed life?
Single life.
Why single?
It's better like that. You don't need to be bounded to someone.
So how many proposals did you get?
I don't know.
Oh, it's uncountable, I think.
Kind of, yeah, I guess.
Kind of what? So do you prefer a single life or a committed life?
Depends. Right now, single.
Right now, single, ready to mingle?
No.
What about you?
No.
Oh, okay.
Standards are too high, I guess.
Yeah.
K-pop high.
Yeah. And Westerners, I guess. So, Westerners. From outside.
Oh, Western, okay.
Yeah.
I'm from South, can you accept me?
No.
So sad.
I guess somewhere from the UK or the US is fine.
Wow, she's next level. So do you prefer a single life or a committed life?
Single.
Why single?
I think it's much more peaceful to be single.
So,
Just had a bad breakup, so that kind of explains.
so do you prefer a single life or a committed life?
Committed?
Sorry, not single right now.
No.
You're committed.
Yes.
So why do you feel committed?
I guess there's always a person to make you happy.
Okay. Bro, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ ಕಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ?
ಅದು ಒಂಥರ ಚಾಯ್ನಾ ಕಾಫಿನಾ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವೀಟು ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ, ಎರಡು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು.
ಬ್ರೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ ಕಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ?
I prefer single.
It depends on who you're with.
So do you prefer a single life or a committed life?
Um, a committed life?
So are you committed right now?
Huh? No, I'm not.
So you're ready to get mingle?
No.
How come you are telling committed life?
That's for like later.
Later in the sense around 5 years?
No, around like 20 years.
20 years old. So what is your age right now?
I'm 20.
So at the age of 40 you'll get married.
Maybe.
Maybe, man, that's so much for me, yaar.
Committed life. Committed is because at some point of time you will need another person to experience life with and share whatever you have. It's not like you can live alone. A few people do prefer that, but me personally wouldn't.
So right now you're committed, right?
I wouldn't say anything about that.
So do you prefer a single life or a committed life?
I prefer single
Why single?
because we're more free that way.
Single for sure. Yeah.
Forever single.
Yeah. I think independent and being single is the best thing. Yeah, for sure.
Single life. Yeah.
Why single?
Just you can do whatever you want. You don't have to depend on anyone. Go hang out with friends all the time.
So till now you're single.
No, I'm not.
You're committed. For single life or a committed life?
Single life
Why single?
doesn't take a lot of time and effort.
So I've been in a relationship.
Oh yeah,
So only one or two?
one.
Oh, that's so nice, yeah. Not even a once for me.
I think single.
Why not committed?
I mean, if the person is worth it, I don't mind as well. But right now, I didn't get anyone.
So right now you're single.
Yeah, I'm single.
Ready to get mingle?
Yeah, I mean, depends.
Even I'm also ready to get mingle. That's why.
Yeah, maybe, yes.
Single life for sure.
Why single life?
More freedom. You don't have to tell where you're going, or you don't have to always hang out with one person.
So if I was your boyfriend, I would have given you full freedom.
Okay.
Is that fine?
Yeah.
I got two. Whatever single. Like me, you know, I'm so single.
Oh,
I'm also single.
that's all.
Give him that rose, please.
So, yeah,
You want the rose?
finally got committed with her. Thank you so much.
Because I give importance to myself more than anybody else.
That's the right answer. Single life or a committed life?
Single. Yes. Depends actually.